Thanks for joining us on Valley News Live. We have a gorgeous setting sun. The wind's still kicking up ice crystals, very cold air causing some halos already being sent in, some photos there. Here's a few things to keep your mind on as we're turning our attention now to the Arctic cold making its way in the valley. And plenty of you are new to the area, and we want to provide some reminders for how to handle this. Things to pack in your car to dig out: a small shovel, cat litter to give those tires some traction if you happen to be out there. It has nothing to do with your cat and bringing it along on a trip. Tow ropes, jumper cables, all of those things can be quite handy. And of course, a good set of boots in the car, a good idea. Other things: first aid kit, and if you have medications, you'll want those too. Your cell phone charger, water, high calorie food, and batteries and flashlights. Make sure that cell phone is fully charged as well. Things to stay warm in the car: blankets, hats, gloves, waterproof matches, and candles can be used inside your car if it's not running. But remember to crack that window. And some hand warmers. Those come in handy, those little packs. Now, a look at our current conditions across the area in the upper left-hand quadrant here. We're looking in on the Devil's Lake area. We do have that Dakota Magic Casino view there, very shiny, but still very gusty. Look at the flags flying there. Reduced visibilities in Fargo from Luther Family Ford and Grand Forks right now. And in the Red River Valley, we continue with that winter weather advisory until the 6 o'clock hour, for that wind is kicking up ice crystals and snow and reducing visibility. 9 below right now. They're reporting snowfall at the airport. As you can see here, we have some ice crystals flying through the air. Gusty winds to 33 miles per hour straight out of the north. Here's a look at temperatures. All day long, we've seen them falling. We started out near 1 below first thing in the morning, and now we sit at 9 below zero, 13 below in Devil's Lake and Langdon. Bemidji, 3 below zero, and we're holding on to 0 in Wadena and 4 above in Sisseton. But you too are on your way down. Look at these wind chills right now, already 35 to 40 below zero. And on exposed skin, that can freeze in about 30 to 15 minutes if it's exposed. So make sure you're covering things up as you head outdoors. Quarter-mile visibility still in Grand Forks, 3/4 of a mile here in the Fargo-Moorhead area as that Red River Valley and into the I-94 corridor, seeing some of the strongest gusts of wind at this hour. Speaking of which, they're gusting to 33 Fargo, 33 for Fergus Falls, and 36 down in the Sisseton Hills. Now, clouds, they're lingering here in the valley and points east. Some clearing taking place out to the west. As you saw on our sky cams, your hour-by-hour forecast shows those yellow arrows. The gusty winds continue. Putting this into motion between now and 10, yep, they stick around. So we're going to gust between 25 and 35 miles per hour all evening long. And that means just brutal wind chills for your snow cleanup activities overnight. Look at these air temperatures, 15 to 25 degrees below zero. Now, in pink here, those digits represent the wind chill values. Pausing this at 7:30 in the morning, we're talking 30 to 45 isolated locations are going to see 50 below zero for wind chills tonight, or even colder. Best chance of that will be up to our north and west of the Fargo area. All of us starting out on a very frigid note. Heading through our day tomorrow, the wind will be decreasing, but it'll still be breezy out of the northwest, 15 to 25 miles per hour. Temperatures just nasty all day, peaking in the single digits below zero for many, teens below up north, and we're right back into the saddle. In fact, even colder air temperatures set for your Thursday night into Friday morning, but the wind tapers off a bit, so give and take. Not the best weather for riding the old bicycle. At least the air conditioning still works on that unit right there. So we take a look at your planning forecast. Thursday, again, brutal all day. Temperatures near 10 below for a peak, 27 below on Friday morning. First alert weather day for that. But we warm up to above zero in the afternoon and evening as we have south winds, increasing temperatures. And how about that? It's a sauna on Saturday, 22 degrees, some light snow possible. Right back into the deep freeze Sunday and Monday. First alert weather days there. But hey, we're seeing a little bit more yo-yo into the temperatures there, with teens and 20s returning next week as well.
Perfect.
Yes.
Thanks, Hutch. COVID-19